Hello everyone. In this video we will learn and we will discuss about SBUS receiver with normal PWM receiver. SBUS receiver is a digital communication protocol providing more efficient and reliable way to transmit control signal compared to traditional analog method like PWM. SBUS receiver transmit multiple channels of control information over a single cable, simplifying wiring compared to using individual wire for each channel. As you can see in the picture, this is SBUS receiver, single cable. Due to single cable design, using SBUS receiver reduce the overall wiring complexity in a drone. SBUS can support a large number of channels over a single connection. So you can see this is SBUS receiver. SBUS receiver transmit multiple channels over information over a single wire. Many modern flight controllers and autopilots are designed to work with SBUS receiver. They often have a dedicated SBUS input pins and streamline the connection process. So guys, this is SBUS connection. If you don't have any SBUS receiver but your flight controller requires an SBUS input for advanced feature, we can use PPM encoder. You can see in the picture. A PPM to SBUS converter, small electronic device designed to convert multiple PWM signals into a single SBUS signal. Connect the individual PWM output channels from your receiver to corresponding input channel on the converter. Connect the PWM output channels from your receiver corresponding input channels into on converter. Ensure a secure and accurate connection. Connect the SBUS output from the converter to SBUS input on your flight controller. And this is SBUS wire.